Hello and thanks for joining me. I'm out for a ride today on my Triumph Scrambler 1200 and I've just been reflecting on the level of unnecessary negativity that you find on Facebook and other forums. The number of threads that I read in which people are attacking or slagging off other people's choice of bikes. And certain types or styles of bikes seem to be particularly susceptible to this kind of attack. And it's usually from people who've not been anywhere near the bike that they're actually attacking. So for example, the new Harley Davidson Pan America has come under attack from people saying, oh, it's not a proper Harley because it's an adventure bike, or they're saying, oh, it's not a proper adventure bike because it's a Harley Davidson. And usually the people making these judgments have, as I say, they've never even sat on one, never mind ridden it. Also, the new Royal Enfields come under a lot of attack from people saying, oh, they're just cheap, underpowered rubbish churned out in India. The new Triumphs, like the one I'm riding as well, come under attack from people saying, oh, they're not proper Triumphs because they are made in Thailand, so they're not proper British bikes. So my point here is that there's some people, and this, of course, it's not everybody, but some people seem to have a need to just slag off other people's choices of bikes. And I think what possibly underlies this is some kind of unconscious insecurity about their own choice of bike. It reveals an insecurity in what they are riding themselves. Because if you're happy with your bike and if you're happy with what you're riding, then why do you need to slag off other people's choices of bikes? And so really the message here, and it's just what I've been reflecting on as I've been riding along here, is just love the bike you ride. Love your own bike, enjoy riding it, and then what do you care about what other people ride? It really doesn't matter, does it? My choice of bikes would seem somewhat unusual, I think, to some people. This is a naked Scrambler, which I've bought as my main touring bike. It doesn't have a screen, it hasn't got particularly large fuel range, it hasn't got fantastic luggage carrying capacity, but I love the bike. I also, ride old vintage bikes. Some people won't go near those because they say, oh, they're old, they're unreliable, they vibrate a lot. Yes, that's true, but I love the experience of riding my own Triumph, my old Triumph. So, love the bike you ride. Love the bike you ride, and let's spread a little love around about what other people ride and their choices as well. We're all in this together, guys. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.